Today I would like to show you how to run ad hoc command via Ansible. It is very simple way to run a single Cisco command or any other network device command on multiple devices. So everyone knows how to run the Ansible playbook, or you may know how to do Ansible playbook. You don't need a playbook for this. This is the scenario where you want to run a single command and you want to execute it onto multiple devices. We will try to run it on a single device, and we'll run it on all devices in my host file. First, quickly overview my lab. Again, I'm running everything in if and G. I have my Linux host where my Ansible is, and that has a connectivity to the switch and to routers. And on those three devices, we will try to run the ad hoc command today. In terms of the Ansible, I've created a new folder called ad hoc commands. I've created a subfolder with the playbooks. I have no playbooks there. It's just the name of the subfolder. Inside the subfolder, I have an Ansible config file. I'm using that Ansible config file to specify the location of my host file, which is in the same folder, ad hoc commands. And in a host file, I specify the IP address of the two routers and one switch, nothing else. And the little file, the text file, ad hoc text file is only for purpose of this lab. Nothing, it's not needed there. Okay, so let's start. So in my terminal, I'm inside the same location, inside the playbook folder. And now if you want to run it again, the single device first, the command is very simple. You type Ansible, you specify the device from the host file you want to run it again. So in my case, I'll try switch 1. Now you call the module, which is the raw module. If you look at the description, it shows you that the raw module is used to run SSH command on a device itself. Now I need to specify the command I want to run. So it is a switch, so we can try show VLAN. We need to specify the username. Now again, this is lab, so I'm just using the admin and Cisco and a password. Now if I hit enter, I should get prompted for the password. Yes, and great. So yep, the Ansible just run the command on this switch and try to make it slightly bigger. Yeah, so you can see and run the command show VLAN on a single switch. Running on a single device doesn't really make sense. You can SSH the device and do it that way, but where it comes handy is if you want to run it again multiple devices. I can use the same command, just if you want to run every device from your playbook, you can specify all, and let me change the show VLAN into because I have one switch and two routers, so I'll try a different command. Show IP in brief. The username and password is the same, and hit the enter. Should be prompted for the password. Yes, and here we go. It runs against all three devices. The output from all three devices is listed in your terminal. Maybe this is not the best command. You could check, for example, time show clock on a boxes to see if your NTP is running, or you want to list specific ACL or something. Maybe that would be a better command to in a real life scenario. Just I would like to show you that the option is here. You can use the Ansible to run a single command on a multiple devices. Maybe you find it useful in your networking life. Before I go, I will ask you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.